Hey, I heard y'all wanted a rump shaker tutorial. Well, really, I didn't, but y'all gonna get one anyway. So, before we start, 4-wall dance, all 4 walls. Very simple, very beginner friendly. Orange bandana on my right foot. It's gonna start off to the right. Very easy. 4 step outs. So it's gonna be right, left, right, left. Okay? This is where you can put your own flavor. Right, left, right, left. Next, you're gonna cha-cha, turn, cha-cha, step back. So that's a cha-cha, turn, cha-cha, step back. Okay? So when you put that all together, it's out right, out left, out right, out left, right cha-cha, and turn, left cha-cha, step back. Now you're gonna rock for 4. Starting on the right. Rock right, rock left, rock right, rock left. We're gonna keep it moving. This is where you can also put your own flair to it. Ladies, it's called rump shaker, so we're gonna shake some rump. So you're gonna step out to the right, together, out to the left, together. Okay? And that's where you're gonna shake it. You can shake slow, or you shake it fast. It's up to you. Fellas, if you don't wanna do that, you might wanna just step and step. Or you can stomp, step back, kick, stomp, step back, kick. Alright? You can do your own thing in this section. I'm gonna show you some rump. So from the top, that's out right, left, out right, out left, right cha-cha, and turn, left cha-cha, step back, rock right, rock left, rock right, rock left, step right, together, step left, together. The next, you're gonna pause on the right, coaster step on the right, pause on the left, coaster step on the left, pause on the right, coaster step on the right, step up with the left, and turn to your left. Okay? So that last one is a step up on the left, turn to your left. Okay? So from the top, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, out right, out left, out right, out left, right cha-cha, and turn, left cha-cha, step back, rock right, right, left, out right, together, out left, together, right pause, right coaster step, left pause, left coaster step, right pause, right coaster step, dip up, and turn. And that's all there is to it.